All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of tonight's break number 7, which is another one of the Giannis graded cards. So we'll check the time, March 4th at 9:49 a.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have March 4th at 9:49 a.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Lucas. Spot 8 is your winner. Number 8 is on fire. So Lucas, whatever we pull out of break number 7 tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 4th, 9:50 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.